Greetings, one all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Hope you're having a great day so far. I wanted to show you a little something I picked up on Etsy. It's a new flint and steel set. Etsy has been kind of a bane of my existence lately because people keep putting up all these excellent gear and products. So I'm like, 20 bucks. I'm like, yeah, I'll get it for $20. Why not? So I'll switch to the Nikon camera for some close-ups. We'll take a closer look at it. Alright, so here she is. I'm filming on my hidden wooden haversack, but do a little close up. So it comes with a piece of flint. Pretty nice little striker. I like that. It comes with some, it looks like charred, I can't tell if it's charred or not, but we're gonna try to fire it up, see if it is. It feels like it's charred. And then I got a little bird nest. It feels like tulip poplar now that I look at it closer, which I love. Tulip poplar. It's a great bark. I just wish we had whoa, that's too far zoomed in. I just wish we had tulip poplar trees growing here. But what I've got in the back of the truck still is I've got a plethora of well, I got some cedar bark, but I got all this maple, which has been back here for like weeks now. So I'm gonna burn some of this up, and I'll get a bird nest prepped, and then we'll move on. So interesting note about Tinder, as you can see, you know, let's all give a praise for good focus, but this you know, it's very malleable, and this has been sitting in my home in this bag for a good long time. Hell, I think I picked this when I was out in the woods. It's the same stuff, but this stuff is just maybe got too dry. It's all brittle. It'll probably make a good initial tinder. Like once you get the bark going, then you can put this on top, almost like a really fine kindling, which would probably be great for fire starting. But initial stages, this would be better. So we're going to go with the cedar bark, and I don't need this much. So, quick camera angle change so you guys can see. You know, I think tinder, you know, good bird nesting, good tinder is just as important as your method in fire starting. Because I could take a pile of sticks and hit it with a ferro rod all day, and it would never light. So that's why it's important to prep, and it's something that I have failed at in the past because I was either rushing or hurrying. I got to either know to not do that, because ultimately it just means that I'm going to fail at getting the fire going. Bird nest 101, just get the pile worked around, because I'm going to put the right in the center there, get this real fine stuff that fell off the, get that in there, and get a little bird nest. Sweet. Alrighty. Try a little bit of this Char. I really like to know what kind of material this is. I don't think it does. It's some kind of, sorry. The light on the camera keeps automatically turning on. I gotta find out why it's doing that. So we get a little bit of this. I actually do have Char cloth, but I wanted to use the stuff that it came with. And then here's the striker. I'm gonna go with the, let's see. Throwing some nice sparks. Hope you guys can see that. Oh. Man, that's a nice ember. go. Oh, it kind of went out. I did throw it to the ground though. There we go. I don't know what kind of char that it was, but that was good stuff. Real good stuff. Sweet. And because we're experiencing high fire danger, make sure I extinguish it all properly. Even though it's on concrete. Alright, what I want to try to do is, I don't have any char in here, I just wanted to show some sparks, see if we can see some. Hopefully that comes up on camera. That's not bad for a little striker. I like that. I like that a lot. Sweet. She's a win as far as I'm concerned, she's a win. It's kind of hot out here. Okay, so what I also did is it's a little dirty now, but I also picked up a canvas zipper pouch for, well, for these. I actually picked up some, where'd it go? Oh, some Flint rocks. I just ordered a whole little bag, and there's some, you know, decent pieces. A lot of little chunks in here, so I was hoping for like some nice big pieces. So maybe I'll look around online a little bit and see if I can find some bit bigger ones. I'm sure these will work, but I was actually kind of hoping for some larger slices. So that one's not terrible. Some of these are just, you know, little shavings. I mean, what am I going to do with that? So, oh well. Anyway, I got this pouch so I could carry a few extras in, like this, and then just keep them all together. So, this is also an Etsy purchase. I should check to see if it sparks at all. I mean, it doesn't have to be a huge rock to throw sparks. That one works good. That one works really good. Yeah, these will work. It's just, I was hoping they'd be a little bit bigger, but what are you gonna do? And that one just broke. Throw some decent. And that one too, so. Alright. So they work. Well, I am pretty impressed with the set. Not bad for 20 bucks. I like that it comes with my favorite fire-starting tinder tulip poplar, which I'm going to save because that stuff's valuable to me. Fortunately, I've got a good pile of cedar I can use, which cedar works just fine too. But yeah, because we don't have tulip poplar growing here, it's like once I get it, it's like, ooh, I wanna hoard it like a hoarder. So a little bit disappointed by the rocks, but I got some useful ones out of it. And of course, I got cedar dust all over the bag, but I'll just keep those in there for now, which is kind of what I bought it for. You know, if I was going to go on like a little outing, I'd probably just take one or two. Maybe the fact that they're small, it means, you know, less pack weight. So I guess there's some benefit, but I don't think I'd be a repeat customer. I might jump on Etsy and see if I can find some larger pieces just to buy, and like maybe 2 or 3. I mean, we don't have Flint around here. I've got a day hike that I did. I got to edit the video, but I was actually going to go down to the river and do some, take my flint, my striker, and test a few rocks and see if I can actually find something that could get a spark. Unfortunately, just things didn't work out, so anyway, it is what it is. I'll put the links in below, and have a great day. Catch you in the next one.